Hi, my name is Vanessa Brady and I'm the creator behind Tried and True Creative. I'm super excited to be sharing the new Cricut Explore 3 with you today. In this video, we'll go over the new updates Cricut has made, the coordinating accessories and materials, box contents, and a quick project that really demonstrates how great this machine is. Let's start with some of the exciting new features of the Cricut Explore 3. In addition to all the features of the previous Explore family, the Explore 3 will now be able to use smart materials without a mat, cut smart materials up to 2 times faster, and cut materials up to 12 feet long. If you're familiar with the Cricut Joy, then you know how great it is working with smart materials. Since you don't need a mat, you can insert the vinyl and be cutting within seconds. How great is that? Of course, you'll still be able to use the tools and the previously bought materials like vinyl and infusible ink with the same mats that you used with the older Explore machines. The Cricut Explore 3 can do everything the previous versions could do and so much more. Let's take a look at exactly what's included in the box. When you open your box, you'll find your Cricut Explore 3 machine, a welcome card with a free trial subscription to Cricut Access, sample materials, USB cable and power adapter. The premium fine point blade and housing can be found inside the machine. To activate your machine, you'll find the web address on the Let's Get Started flyer. Once there, you'll be able to either download Design Space, Cricut's free cloud-based design software, or log into it if you already have it downloaded. Next, you'll be asked to select the product type and then Smart Cutting Machine. Just tap on the image of Cricut Explore 3. After selecting the machine, you'll receive a number of prompts explaining that you'll need at least 10 inches of space behind the machine. How to plug in the Explore 3 and turn it on. And lastly, how to connect to a computer with the included USB cable. Keep in mind, you also have the option of connecting via Bluetooth if you want to use a tablet or phone instead. From there, just follow the instructions on Design Space to finish setting up your machine. Let's see how the machine does with its first test cut. I'm going to select this design and then follow the prompts in Design Space. Now I'm going to insert the sample of smart vinyl included in the box and let the machine work its magic. I'm amazed at how quickly that was cut. Now you can remove the cut shape and apply anywhere you'd like. Since we've got the machine out, let's take a look at some of the physical differences of the Explore 3. If you have an older Explorer, you can see that the buttons are slightly different and should be a little easier to understand what functions they complete. Next, you'll notice that the old cartridge port has been removed and replaced with an additional compartment. I don't know about you, but I can always use more storage. Cricut has also updated the feeding tray so that keeping the material aligned as it goes into the machine is easier and more precise. You may also notice that the finish on the outside is matte now. This will keep the machine looking nice and clean. There's even a place to hold your phone or tablet. Now that we've seen the machine, let's look at a few of the accessories and materials available for the Cricut Explore 3. Since the smart materials are wider, 13 inches instead of 12, Cricut has also released an updated trimmer to fit that size. It can be bought separately or in the Essential tool set. Another product I'm really excited about is the roll holder for the Smart Materials. This keeps Smart Material rolls aligned for a clean, precise cut. There's also a built-in trimmer for convenient material cutoff. It's super easy to attach and remove from both the Cricut Explore 3 and Maker 3 machine door. I know we already did a test cut, but I wanted to show you a project that really shows off the full potential of the Cricut Explore 3. Life with 3 kids can be a bit hectic sometimes, so I thought an extra large acrylic family calendar would be super helpful. I saw these large acrylic signs at Michael's and knew it was the perfect blank canvas for this project. To make this, I just used a calendar file in Design Space that I liked and added a few extra details like notes and a weekly menu to fill up the space on the acrylic sign. Because I kept my design within the cutting boundaries, I'm able to send it to my Explorer 3 and have it cut everything in one go. Now I'm just going to slide the Smart Vinyl under this slot and through the other side. I'll press this button to feed the vinyl into the machine. And then press the play button to start the cut. Okay, now that it's cut, I'll use the trimmer tool to slice off the excess. And all I have to do is weed the design and use a transfer tape to apply to the acrylic blank. Thanks to the larger cutting surface of the Explore 3, I was able to make this extra large acrylic family calendar in just a few steps. Now we have the perfect calendar to help keep us organized, and it looks great on a shelf too. I hope you enjoyed this detailed look at the new Cricut Explore 3. This is just the most basic of introductions to this versatile machine. Whether you need it for simple projects like the ones we just made, or more complicated ideas, the Cricut Explore 3 is the perfect machine for the job. Can't wait to see what you make.